Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to copy Instagram profile link. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, I'm going to show you how to do it on phone and for computer as well. Okay. So Instagram on mobile, open up the Instagram app, go to your profile at the bottom right, and then here on your profile page, just go to these tabs and tap on share profile. Okay. Just tap on it. And here you have your QR code. And below that, here we have the share profile section and the copy link button. Okay, just copy the link, tap on it, and the link is now copied. You can now go ahead and save it wherever you want or send it to your friend. Okay, tap and hold, paste. Here you have your Instagram link. Now, if you want to do it on PC, it's actually pretty easy. Just open up the web version of Instagram. Now go ahead over to your profile. This is your profile page. Okay. Just click on it, and at the top you have the URL box. Just right click and copy it. Now send it wherever you want. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.